puntos, sobre todo con el segundo partido que jugamos fuera de casa contra Chennai. En el primero me quedó un poquito la sensación de haber perdido 2 puntos más que ganar 1.
We're very happy with the performance that we gave in Chennai. I'm a little disappointed with the game against Northeast because I thought we left 2 points behind there.
Y estamos muy ilusionados con el primer partido en casa, delante de nuestra gente, en nuestro estadio, con nuestra afición, para poder conseguir 3 puntos que serían importantes para nosotros.
And we're very excited to play in front of our fans here, play our first game at home, and we'll be trying to achieve 3 points from out of this game. Try and, ensure that, defensively we're a little bit better off in terms of the numbers that we sort of achieve. But obviously, always the style of play that we have is sort of, there are some risks involved in it, but we have to try and improve on those 2 aspects to sort of, get the best possible numbers out.
Si usted me pregunta si vamos a atacar menos para encajar menos, no. Vamos a intentar atacar igual y encajar menos goles.
If you're asking me whether we're going to attack less to sort of try and ensure that we concede less, then the answer to that would be no.
We can do the things that I have in my mind, and if we will do these things, I'm confident that we can head home with the 3 points.
2 गेमींतल्यान 4 पॉइंट मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत 18 दिसाच्या गॅपा उपरांत FC गोवा बुधवारा आपली 3री गेम खेळटले. पूण ही गोंयांत जावपी ह्या सिजनाची पयलीच गेम आशिल्ल्या कारणान पुराय FC गोवाचे जे फॅन्स आहा गोंयांत ते पुराय उमेदीन आसा. कारण FC गोवा जेन्ना जेन्ना फातोड्या खेळटा तेन्ना एंटरटेनमेंट सामकें गॅरंटेड. मडगांवच्यान सावियो डायस आनी पणजेच्यान हांव निरज प्रभू प्रुडंटा खातीर.